Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to use a nationwide card reader to transfer money. Let's begin. First, open the Nationwide app or visit the Nationwide website and sign in to your account. After signing in, select the option to transfer money or make a payment. Next, insert your debit or credit card into the Nationwide card reader device. Then enter the recipient's account details, including their account number and sort code. Follow the instructions on the card reader to generate a security code. Once you have the security code, enter it into the online banking platform to authorize the transaction. Take a moment to review all transfer details carefully. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction to complete the transfer securely and efficiently. Using the Nationwide card reader adds an extra layer of security to your money transfers, helping protect your account from unauthorized access. That's how to use a Nationwide card reader to transfer money. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.